Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have a lost package or maybe damaged package as well. You can go through all of this to fix this issue. If you bought insurance through Etsy or like insurance through Etsy, you can basically file a claim with the company or even the insurance provider. If you do so, you may get some I won't say the full value of the item, but you would get some money in return. That's the concept of it. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to file an insurance claim for Etsy shipping labels in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So what we want here is to access Shop Manager again. We want to go through the orders and shipping details. You can either do this through the app or you can do it through their website. I would prefer going through the website since it's easier. All you're gonna do is open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet, go and look for Etsy.com, tap on the link, go ahead and log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. It's time now to go through Shop Manager, then tap on Orders and Shipping. Open the order details, click the tracking number to see the company info, then gather any proof of value. It can be a receipt or listing price. Then take photos of damage if damaged. Then check the shipping label details. You can also visit the company claims page or the carrier claims page. Then submit your claim online. As for the important note, claims usually must be filled within a limited time window. Keep packaging until claim is fully resolved. Then processing time may basically vary depending on the company you are dealing with. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.